Hey Planner friends, how's it going? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Ryan, and this is A Man with the Plans, and we are back to do a plan with me for the week of Monday, June 10th through Sunday, June 16th, Father's Day. And I'm going to be using a kit that I had from a long time ago. I think this is PlannerKate's in one of my missed format ones, and it's the Father's Day like blue, plaid, and yellow, super cute dad kit with some mustaches and ties in there. Figured we'd keep it festive, so we are moving right on to the end of the life in this planner. We have only a couple weeks left. And I figured, you know what, might as well use this kit since it is a really cute one. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take the washi strip here that I always do. We're gonna lay this down as my morning routine, my AM routine, usually right over the 6 o'clock hour. Yeah, and I love this dad plaid here. I think it's so cute. I wasn't sure if there was a Father's Day kit for her spread this year, but I think there was, so that was fun. I love the way that's looking so far. Hope you guys are having a lovely June so far. The weather in Minnesota has been really, really gorgeous. Although I will say my allergies have been pretty ridiculous. I went for a walk with one of my friends and her dog yesterday, and I had a little bit of like an allergy. I don't want to say attack, but my nose got all stuffy and I was sneezing a lot, and I already take allergy medicine anyway, so I don't know what was going on, but I took a bunch of extra Allegra and I'm feeling better. So we're slowly getting there. But alright, so let's go ahead and add a little sticker that just says AM routine on it. And as you can tell, I'm using the Erin Condren dual tip markers here. Alright, so we've got the AM routine sticker down. I use the Miracle Morning. I will leave a link to the book down below in case you're curious. It's really all about how to create healthy habits and start your day the right way with some affirmations, some meditation, and all those types of things. And I have to say, I was really concerned about how if I could meditate for that long, but really I only do 10 minutes, and I use an app called Insight Timer, which I'll leave linked down below as well. And honestly, it really helps, and it makes me feel like I'm getting a whole lot out of my day. So I don't know, it's been really fun. The next thing I'm gonna do is we have a meeting on Monday from 11 to noon. So we're gonna be discussing some strategic planning conversation that needs to potentially happen. So I'm meeting with somebody from that. So we'll be talking through that, and then the rest of the day, that's the only meeting that I have somehow. I keep lucking out with not having a ton of meetings. Later on in the evening though, I am going to be going ahead and doing some project management work. I have a side hustle that I've mentioned in a couple other videos. So what I'm going to do is take these little desks from Coffee Break Planner and just kind of use them to parse out the space. I'm going to use this washi that I got from Favorite Daughter Shop a long time ago. It was in Emily's D-stash. We'll go ahead and lay that down. We'll say I start at the 4:30 hour. And we have a lot of fun stuff going on with that work. Really, really cool stuff. And what I'm gonna do there, and see what I love about this sticker is it's got the little desk and the Mac, and so I'm just gonna write sort of PM. Yeah, just really, really cute. And so I'll be able to sort of mark that off the rest of the week. I love how that looks. And so the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to move on to Tuesday. So Tuesday, I have another meeting that's a bit longer, and so this is gonna be from 9 to 11, and it's a team meeting. We have a lot of change going on in my area, so there's a lot of stuff that will need to be happening. And so let's go ahead and stick this fella down. It fits perfectly. Very cool. I'm actually looking forward to all the fun stuff that's going on. The other thing I'm also gonna do in the meantime is I'm gonna add a little one of these as a to-do to write in some of the things that I need to get done after the team meeting. I think it'll just be fun to keep me productive and keep things moving. And then Tuesday, I'll obviously be doing some project management work as well. So I'm gonna go ahead in here with this other washi, and we will kind of just throw that down here. I'm gonna try to work from 4 to 8. I will need to get my workout in at some point. I have to find out when. So we'll throw down one of these stickers again. I really like the little laptops. They're not laptops, they're iMacs, but yeah, so we'll do PM there. Really cute. I'm loving how that's starting to look. And so, unfortunately this year I'm not gonna be able to go see my dad on Father's Day, but I believe we're getting him a little gift. So my brother is taking care of that, and he lives home with them, which will be really helpful because I know that it'll get there. Really good stuff, and I appreciate my brother doing that for me. So on Wednesday, I'm meeting a friend of mine for lunch, and we are having it at the food trucks. So in Minneapolis, downtown, they have all sorts of fun food trucks that show up. There's usually like a sushi and Japanese one. There's an empanada one. There's all sorts of good places to eat. And so we'll be going from 12:30 to 1:30. So we'll kind of block that off. It's a friend of mine I haven't seen in a while, so I'm kind of excited to see her. I'm gonna go ahead and also just add one of the lunch stickers here. Let's see which one matches the nicest. Kind of like the yellow. I like the pop of the yellow there. I mean, it's not the same yellow, but That's okay, it kind of blends off of the sticker down there. And this is the S477 from PlannerKate if you're curious. Really, really cute. And then after that, I have to do payroll. So I'm gonna add a skinny sticker up top just to remind me to do that. And that's from my side hustle. And actually, I forgot about a call that I have on Monday. So now that we do that, I will add just a sticker down here that says call. I think that should be 3 p.m. my time. So I'll just have to take that into account when we have our discussion. But yeah, that'll wrap up that day. And I have a meeting for dinner, I believe, with some of the Jam folks. Thankfully it's not too far, and I believe it's at 6:30. We'll be meeting on some stuff to tackle that in the next couple of days. So I believe it's at 6:30. Put that down. Very cool. That's gonna wrap up Wednesday, I believe, so not a whole lot going on. Actually, the other thing I'm gonna do is I think I'll tackle some more to-do listy stuff up here for during my morning at work. I feel like that's just a good way to be productive. Always a fun time. So moving on to Thursday. We are just flying through this week. My goodness. Where are we? Thursday. I have a meeting off-site. And so let's go ahead and put that down. It's me from 9 to 9:30? 9:30 to noon. Interesting time. And I'm gonna use just the leftover bits here from this little washi strip that comes with the kit. I always feel like you don't wanna waste those because it's so stinking cute. So I try to get as much as I can out of this. And so I will go ahead and write that a meeting down here. Super cute. And then Thursday, I have a lot of work that I need to finish on some projects, so I'm gonna go ahead in here and add another one of these little strippy guys down. I'm loving these to-do lists lately. They just really make me feel like I'm being super productive. I feel like I'm kind of inspired by the Focus collection from Erin Condren at the moment. And then later on in the evening, obviously more project management. Let's go ahead and add more of that yellow washi we had earlier. And so I found a new TV show that I'm like low-key obsessed with right now. It's on Amazon Prime, and it's called Home Fires, and it takes place in London during the Battle for Britain in World War II. And so it's about these wives and their families and how they are dealing with the war and all the things that are kind of coming because of the fact that there's a world war going on. It's pretty interesting stuff, I'm not gonna lie. I was super intrigued. So that's been really fun to watch, and I've really been enjoying it. But it's one of those things where I'm like, oh goodness, it's kind of a little bit heavy. There's some stuff going on in the plot. So I really recommend it. I'll leave it linked down below as well. And then Friday, it's Flag Day, first of all, that's some fun stuff. But I'm gonna be working from home, so I'm gonna lay down some washi that notes that. And then I don't have any real exciting plans going on. I've been terrible at like making social plans lately to like go out. I just haven't really been getting a lot done. All right, we'll tack that fella down. And I believe Friday is payday, which is exciting. So I'm gonna write that up top. Woohoo! Everyone loves a good dollar bill. So we'll kind of tack that up. I'm actually okay to cover up Flag Day. And then we will do that. Yay! And then later that night, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be doing some project management work, but you know what, maybe give myself the night off. And Saturday, I'm gonna do some filming in the morning. So we got my film and edit sticker. We'll go ahead and put that down here. Kind of just let that go. And then I'm sure there'll be some sort of festive fun thing on Saturday that I haven't had planned, but I am gonna have sort of one of those little checklists here again for some cleaning stuff. I made a really good use of the daily agenda that I got from the Focus collection from Erin Condren, and I've really been loving sort of doing all of my to-dos this week. I'm gonna take one of these to-do stickers and kind of just stick that down here for my weekend, because I do love getting some of those chores done, like a good old deep clean every now and again. I think it's super handy. And then Saturday, obviously we'll be doing some grocery shopping and meal prepping and all that good stuff. So I really enjoyed getting to the grocery store early the other day. So I will probably go to 12:30. I don't think it'll take this long because it's just one person, but you never know. And then I will also go ahead, I pulled out all of my usual favorite stickers, and there they are. We've got our little paper and clips grocery bags that I am just obsessed with. We'll stick that right in the middle. We'll do it there. And then I'm gonna take the little shopping cart that comes with the kit here and stick that over here as well. Very nice. So that shouldn't take too long. Saturday also, I like to take some time to chat with my boss. We have some fun stuff going on. So I will usually just throw one of these down over an hour and just write call. Because I'll be doing a lot of work over the weekend to just try and make sure that everything's set for the week. This usually includes like a weekly update email to the whole team and all sorts of good stuff. I just like to be productive, and normally we meet every Sunday, and then I do a lot of work to get everything ready for the week, because working on the weekends is nice because I'm able to make sure everything's taken care of and not have to worry about it interfering with my regular work schedule, which is good. I think it's nice for me to keep those as separate as possible sometimes, you know. Call doesn't normally take that long, but it's just good to know. And then for some of the clients that we have, let's go back to the kit. We do have a coaching call that I will put on here, and that's always fun to participate. And I will add the cute little telephone guy. Even though it's a video conference, we won't say anything. Oh no, the house sticker got stuck. Let's go ahead and put that down over here next to the to-do, and we'll put the phone over here. Yeah, as you can tell, there's like a little bit of white on here, so it makes sense that this was in the Misfit grab bag. So, all right, perfect. So that's done for that. And then I always like to do a final YouTube check to make sure that everything's up that needs to be. Got all the tags and all that good stuff. It's just something that like I feel more comfortable going to bed knowing that that's taken care of. It's just kind of a silly thing, but I find it important. Oh, I also forgot the Hello Weekend sticker. Uh-oh. Let's add that down. And then the other thing I'm gonna do, just as a reminder, somewhere throughout the day, is I'm just gonna put, call Dad. It is Father's Day after all, so hopefully he'll be around and I can check up and see how he's doing and all that good stuff. So I'll kind of just stick that down there. Yeah, and so that looks really great so far. What I am gonna do really quickly is pull out my, look at here in my monthly view and see what my runs are. So I have 7 miles, 4 miles, 4 miles, 3. We've got over here, we'll use these guys over here. We've got 7 miles. That'll be for Saturday. Nice long run. Maybe we'll go earlier in the morning, so it's not too hot. And then Thursday is 4 miles. Monday is 4 miles. I think one of them is 3 miles, but I'm just gonna make them all 4 because whatever, it's all good. I'm still getting the mileage in. So we'll do 4. And I kind of like the way the system is operating with this run training so far, where you kind of have a couple days of breaks. You're not running all the time, which I think is good for me since I'm a little bit rusty. So I just added my runs for the week. I'm gonna go ahead and take one of these stickers here, the yellow scale, and just put that down for my weight up top like I've been doing for the past couple of weeks. I usually do that every Sunday night. I check what it is. And the other thing I'm gonna do is add one of these sore today, strong tomorrow over here in the thankful thought box or whatever we're calling this now. I figured that's just a cute little add-in. So yeah, this is gonna about wrap up my week. We just have to put in the YouTube videos later on, and then we'll do the sidebar and we're all said and done. This is gonna be a short video, which is nice. Get you guys rolling. Let's zoom in a little bit. Oh, run away. Tricked ya. Okay, so here we are with our sidebar. I'm gonna go ahead and use my regulars here. We've got the workout, and I believe the no spend is right over here as well. So I'm thinking we'll do the gold, because that matches up quite nicely, and then we'll also do the light teal, right? That seems like a good plan. Then we'll also add the workout. It's so nice to just like, you know, cross those off as you do. You're like, yes, 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 yes. The next book I'm gonna do is put down my currently reading sticker, and I am actually back to a book that my boss had given me called Traction. It's all about sort of how you work in a small business and how you help make that business grow. And so I really, really like it. I will leave it linked down below actually if you're curious. But it's all about how to grow a business and how to really make some successful sort of decisions based on what you want to do. And the other thing I'm going to do here is take some of these sort of stickies, the little, and kind of just lay these out, some errands, so I'll put to go over here, and then maybe I'll add one more. And so I'll kind of just add some, if I move the weight sticker over to the side, we should be good, right? Doing it live. So we'll add this over here. That works a lot better. And then I will add a work sticker over here so that I can take care of some other stuff. But other than that, that's not a whole lot else. Let's go ahead and see if I can fill in some of the YouTube videos. So you're gonna have a plan with me today. Not today, you're watching the plan with me. So that'll be on Monday. And then obviously Thursday, we'll have a video for you as well. And this one should be my May budget report card. Talk about how much I spent and didn't spend and all that good stuff. And then at some point, I know for sure that my seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren should be here. So I'll be able to do my thoughts on that. So I'm assuming I'll do Wednesday or Tuesday. So yeah, you can be expecting 3 videos from me this week. How exciting. Yeah, so that should be good. I feel like that's about gonna wrap it up. I don't have a lot else going on this week. I mean, it's just a lot of work as usual, but you know what? That's never a bad thing. So let's open the spread back up. And I will zoom you guys out a little bit so you can go ahead and see this. Here we go. Alright, so if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it, and it does help the channel out. If you're interested in any of the stickers or the planner that I use, I have links down below. And if you click on those, some of them are maybe affiliate links, which means that if you actually check out using them, I will get a little small commission that helps support the channel, which I would greatly appreciate, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up if that's what it is. But I make new videos every Monday and every Thursday, as you can see, with some other ones thrown in for good measure. You can find me over on Instagram at @AManWithThePlans. It's over on the end slate down here. And then Facebook is over at @AManWithThePlans this way. I'm always on there, and I love to connect with you guys and share anything that you guys do. And I try to comment on as many things as possible. So I hope you guys have a great week planned. I hope you have a wonderful Father's Day to those of you that are able to celebrate with your fathers, grandfathers, all good stuff, uncles. And until next time, planner friends, I'll see you later. Bye!